Alright, now if you remember, we discussed about that ugly looking gray theming on the Google applications, which made the messaging app look like this with that light gray background and dark gray background for the messages. That wasn't really looking good. But now on One UI 9, the same Google application versions look much better with dark theming here. As you can see, these two are the same version of the applications, but the light gray is still on the One UI 8.5, whereas on One UI 9, it looks much better with the dark gray on top and dark gray on the background of these messages. Let me quickly show you the version number here on both these applications. You can see both are 20260523. So both are the same version, and now on One UI 9, the color issue has been fixed. And this is not just on the Google messaging application. If you look at the, maybe let's take a look at the Files application. Look at this. This is the Google Files, and it looks slightly better on the One UI 9. And let's also take a look at the Gmail application here. You see the Gmail on One UI 8.5, it is still light gray, whereas on the One UI 9, this has been changed to dark gray. And another big change that you're going to notice now on the Google application is whenever you apply a color palette on your Galaxy phone, the color palettes will get applied on the Google applications as well. Let me go ahead and show you this. Let's go to the wallpaper and style here. And let me turn on the color palette and let me apply the color palette. Let's go with some basic colors here. Let me select green and I'll apply. Now let's go to the Google applications. You will see the magic here. We have got the Google messages. Check that out. We have got the green color palette applied on the Google messaging. We have got green color palette on the Gmail as well. Let me show you that. Look at that. We have got green color on the compose button, and also the background is in green. And now let's go to the Files application. Again here, the theme has been, the color palette has been applied. Now this is a recent transformation which has happened on the Galaxy phones or maybe on other Android phones as well. Whenever you apply color palettes, the color palette will be applied across all the Google applications, which is fantastic. However, it is not as pronounced as the Samsung system application. For example, if I go to the clock application, you see that color palette, it's in bright green. Whereas if we go to the Google applications, it is actually light green. It looks more like pixelish. On Pixel phones, this is how the color palettes get applied. And I really wish this changes and we get the exact color palette that we apply on the Samsung system applications. The way it looks is beautiful. The same application would be great on the Google applications as well. This is a pretty big change which has happened now on the Samsung's One UI 8.5, One UI 9, or even on One UI 8. If the Google applications are updated, you will see this theming across all Google applications. Let me know what do you think about this. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. If you are a customization lover, then you must have Wallverse wallpaper application on your phone. So go ahead, the link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers, bye-bye.